Madam.
Sabinus.
How you doing now?
Fine, good afternoon.
Wow, how's the business flow?
They manage.
It's moving well, right? Madam, can I see you for a minute, please? It's just something quick. Actually, madam, you know my son, right?
Yes, I know.
Yeah, very bright and intelligent boy. You know, he might be of use to you tomorrow. You understand? So, madam, I say make I bring and come. So I don't know. I won't drop him as collateral. Hey! So that he will give me 2 big bread.
Sabinus, you know if you work.
Now what be say next time I will come pick and when I get money to pay.
I say you know if you work. This your picking don't come in the morning. Collect 4 biscuits. Tell me say na him papa, na him go pay.
What? This small boy? Using me as collateral? What is it today? Come on, let's go now.
Sabinus, where they go? Give me my money.
Run, no. Hey! It's running.
Hello. Okay, give me my money, I beg. I don't know inside they find you since morning.
What be me? They explain myself, give you say how they go say hold me as collateral and you dey join how they hold the collateral.
I know they follow you laugh. I know open business for you and your pikin. No, give me my money, I beg.
Rosé, no small thing for my body now.
Okay.
African giant, Odogu Komiko, 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 African giant, Odogu Komiko. You too sabi bad things. You dey like today mumu, you dey like today before, you dey like today honey, you dey like today pursue woman, you dey like today enter trouble. You too sabi oh, you too sabi. Otogu komiko, Otogu komiko, Otogu komiko, Otogu komiko, Otogu komiko. Otogu komiko, Otogu komiko, Otogu komiko.
God have mercy upon us. Who go see them what?
I go come here and just now. You say that.
What's going on here?